I'm back with another facial oil series. In this video I have another interesting information about a face oil which, as I said in many videos, I have an extremely oily skin with occasional acne breakouts. So I have seen a lot of people share acne stories and how this oil helps with that. So if you're new to my channel, I make videos on skincare, hair care and personal care as well, and few lifestyle videos. So please make sure to subscribe my channel and also hit that bell icon so that you will get notified for my new video. So let's start the video. I was scared to use oils on my face initially, and after some research I started using them. Like I discussed in my previous video about the comedogenic rating and different oils for different skin types, this is also a beneficial video for people who like to incorporate oils into skincare. So this oil is 100% pure hempseed oil, and this does not clog the pores as the comedogenic rating is 0. There are a lot of benefits for the hempseed oil. It is rich in omega-3, 6 and 9. It is rich in linoleic acid, and it is also contains gamma linoleic acid, which is helpful in treating inflammation due to acne or any kind of irritation, and also it has anti-aging benefits. So it is made by cold pressed hemp seeds. This is different from cannabidiol and does not contain THC. This is 100% pure hempseed oil. In fact, this is a food grade oil. This can be used for food as well as hair, face and body. So this is overall a multi-purpose product. This comes from the brand called Veda, which is a herbal brand which has few herbal products and oils. By the way, this is not a sponsored video. I came to know about this product when I was searching for hempseed oil. You can find this product on their website and also in Nykaa, but most of the time this product is out of stock. I have been eyeing this product for a long time, from 2018, and I first purchased in 2019 only. Bought this product for the price of 850 rupees for 150 ml. The MRP of the product is shown as 900 rupee. This is a dark color plastic kind of a bottle. Also it has a tight metal cap, and it also has another cap inside which is really nice and leak proof packaging, and I like it. Hempseed oil has a light green color, but the smell is really kind of a plant smell or a herbal kind of a scent. It is little unpleasant smell which some people may not like, but there is no added fragrance. So it is a natural smell of the hempseed oil. So some people may like it, but I am okay with this. Please don't blame me for the smell if you buy this product. As I said, this is a food grade oil, means you can use it for salad dressing as well. It can be used as a moisturizer for skin and hair. I have used this oil in two methods. First is oil cleansing. When I came home in the evening, I used to apply this and then kept 5 minutes, then clean with a damp cloth, and this takes off all the makeup and dirt, whatever is there on the top of my skin. And then I use my regular face wash and cleanse. Next method is using as a facial oil, as a leave-in oil or a moisturizer. Drop in the palm and then apply on the face as a last step of your skincare routine, because it provides an occlusive hydrating layer to the skin. It leaves a little shine on the face when applied, but it does not make the skin greasy or sticky. It is super light when you apply it. It gets absorbed so quickly. You can also mix 2 drops in your moisturizer and apply if you don't want to use oil alone on your face. Also, it makes the skin smoother, softer to touch. Believe me, I kept on touching my face after I used this because it feels so soft. This oil is very nourishing and hydrating for the skin. I just tried this oil as a moisturizer and saw it provides a hydration for a longer time. It actually balances the sebum production. If you're using consistently, you will see that the acne gets reduced as this oil is antibacterial and keeps the skin healthy. This bottle will last you for at least 5 to 6 months if you're using only for your face. I have used this for my hand, feet and body as well, and sometimes on my hair. I use this few drops on my hair to get a nourishment when I am not oiling my hair, when I have some bad hair days. Few drops is enough to provide the lubrication in scalp, and it does not feel sticky or heavy. But I don't use it consistently on hair because I already have my hair oil, which is coconut oil, which I like to use for my hair. People are saying that hempseed oil helps in hair growth and hair fall as well, but I didn't try it yet. So I hope oily skin people who want to incorporate some good facial oils into skincare routine can give it a try, as this is 100% pure one without any kind of other stuffs. I am satisfied with this purchase and I hope I may be repurchasing. Currently I have my another face oil, so finished I may be buying this again. So I hope this review helped you in some way. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and if you don't like, please let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.